Hey folks, wanted to take a look at how you can apply stock footage with transparency. In this case, it's the Action Essentials pack that I got from Video Copilot onto a clip in Adobe Premiere. Okay, now one thing is when you're trying to choose which clip to use, if I'm looking in all these folders, say smoke, okay, if I just try and do the normal preview of this by open it in QuickTime, it won't open. It's the kind of wrong type of file there to just preview in the Finder. But if I go in Premiere, okay, and go over to the way I always like to find footage is in the media browser, okay, and I can just navigate to that folder with all my stock footage in there. Let's say I go to smoke. There we are, one of the smoke folders. Because I've got all these different folders here. Okay, action stock, there it is. Okay, so I'm going to do some smoke on this, and if I just double click that here, I can preview it. I can preview it directly in Premiere. Okay, so I'm going to drop this clip on. Alright, and there it is. Nice. Now I've got the option set in my preferences to automatically scale this to the frame size. Okay, if I untick that, you can see it's actually smaller. Okay, so this is I believe 1280 by 720 footage. So I can right click on that and choose scale to frame size, or if I want to change the actual size or position, I can just open this window here, effect controls, okay, and I can change the scale, make it bigger or smaller. Okay, and I can change the position, and I can just click on the word motion here, and I can move this about by hand. So I can put my smoke or whatever explosions, a big folder full of stuff, in the place where it needs to go. Okay, so you can use this to move this about. Alright, but I'll just have it there. So I've got the tune here playing, and it's smoking hot. There we go. Okay. So it's really simple to apply because the transparency is built into the clips, and you just need to kind of scale them up and also put them in the right position for where they want to fit in your video elements, and that's it. And of course probably just trim that to the same size as the clip, and off you go. But there's lots of options in here, everything blood and debris, all this kind of stuff, and of course you can put more elements in there. So I could add an explosion to this as well. There we go. Again, I might want to position that so it kind of fits with the smoke. Lots of fun to be had there. Okay, so thanks for watching.